Uber for Business allows employees to use the Uber app they know and love while giving your company full control. Let's explore how to onboard your team. Setting your team up for success begins with the People tab of your dashboard. Employees can be added individually, in bulk, or through an invite link. You can manage onboarding progress by tracking the number of employees that have successfully connected their accounts and send reminders to those that have yet to join, all within the dashboard. Once employees are added, they will receive instructional emails inviting them to connect their accounts to your business profile. Remember to promote via your company communication channels as well to give employees a heads up. By activating their accounts, employees can easily place requests in their Uber apps and select their business profiles when checking out. If you have any questions while onboarding your team, click Get Help on your dashboard. Your team is on a mission. Let Uber for Business help get you there.